In Perek Daled of this week's Parashat Shemos, the Rebbeinu Shalom gets Moshe Rabbeinu to perform 3 different miracles. In Pasuk Beis, he says to Moshe Rabbeinu, "Maze biyadcha, what are you holding in your hand?" Says Moshe Rabbeinu, "It's a mateh." Explains the Malbim that the Torah uses different words to describe a stick, depending on what the use of that stick is. For example, a stick that's used to give someone support is called a mishenes. A stick that is used to direct animals, that is used to probe animals in the direction that the shepherd wants them to go, is called a makel. And then you have a stick which is used by princes or people in high office, a stick of prestige, and that is called a mateh. Said the Rebbeinu Shalom to Moshe Rabbeinu, "In what capacity do you hold the stick that is in your hand?" Said Moshe Rabbeinu, "I hold it as a mateh, as a staff, a scepter of prestige. It reminds me that I am a prince, that I belong to the nation of Israel, that now, even though I may be in Midian, I belong to a nation of princes. It reminds me of the Gavaldiga Koichas that the Rebbeinu Shalom has given me, the amazing capabilities that the Rebbeinu Shalom has endowed to me. It reminds me of the high state of office that I must maintain myself in and where I want to reach." So the Rebbeinu Shalom, that's correct. That's Gavaldic. You must always hold on to those ideals. You must remind yourself constantly of the fact that you are a Ben Melech and that you have a goal to achieve. Says the Rebbeinu Shalom, now throw that stick to the ground. And what happens? As soon as Moshe Rabbeinu lets go of that stick, it becomes a snake. Symbolic of the Yetzer Hara. Reminding us and telling Moshe Rabbeinu that of course one must hold on to these ideals constantly. But a reminder as well that as soon as I let go of those ideals, even for a second, I leave myself susceptible to fall as low as the snake, to fall as the lowest creature, to fall as low as the Yetzer Hara itself. And the Rebbeinu Shalom therefore commands Moshe Rabbeinu, now take hold of that stick and hold on to it. Reminding us, Klal Yisrael, that we are princes and princesses. We come from a nation of Malachim. We are Sorim, we are Bnei Malachim. We must maintain ourselves on that high standard. Remember, constantly keep this in mind, because as long as we remind ourselves that we are choshev and that we are prestigious, we will therefore safeguard ourselves from falling into the trap of the Yetzer Hara.